Yes, sir. I understand this question.
Very good, Fazil. Very good. Abhipragnya says C. That means Abhipragnya says answer is C. C part. Okay. Or are you saying both A and C? Tell me in the options. You have option
Sir,
A.
both A. Sir, both A and C.
Both A and C. Okay. Okay. Devansh says option B. Very good, Devansh. Okay. So let's understand these fundamentals, everyone. Okay. So what is 30 divided by 0? What is 30 divided by 0? Will this give you 0? 30 divided by 0? No, 30 divided by 0 doesn't give you 0.
Non-definite, sir. Non-definite.
It's undefined. Very good. So you might have learned 1 divided by 0 is undefined. That's what you have learned in school. Yes or no? Yeah, you have learned this in school. 1 divided by 0 is undefined. 30 into 0. 30 into 0. Anything into 0 will always give you 0. Right?
Yes.
2 into 0 is 0. 30 into 0 is 0. Anything you multiply with 0 will always give you 0. Right?
Yes, sir. And anything multiply 0 is equal to 0.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So you have Fazil, you're right. So then you have 0 divided by 30. So 0, anything 0 divided by 1 is 0. You have 0 divided by 10 is 0. Right? So 0 by anything is also 0. So if you 0 divided by anything, say it's very simple. So you have 10 chocolates, you divide among 10 people. How many will each get? You'll get
0.
You get 1 chocolate, right? 10 people, your 10 chocolates need to be divided among 10 people. You'll get 1 chocolate
Each, yes, sir.
If you have 0 chocolates, you have to divide among 30. It'll give you 0.
Yes, sir.
So that is 0 there. So both option B and option C will give you 0. And similarly, 0 divided by 0, this is also undefined. Okay? 0 divided by 0 is also undefined. So basically your option B and C. So therefore your answer is this. Both B and C is the answer. Both B and C. Siddharth.
Yes,
you are correct initially. Why are you giving 2 different answers? Oh, you're saying B is yes and C is yes. Yeah, good. Good. Okay. So is there anyone in the class who can tell me why 1 by 0 is undefined? Can anyone explain me? Can anyone explain me why 1?
Sir, it will be improper fraction because 1 is greater than 0.
Oh, no, that's not the reason. That's not the reason. I'm asking my question to the class.
Yes, sir, I can tell.
I'm asking the question 1 by 0. Why is it undefined? Someone says it is undefined. I'm asking you, why is it undefined? So Dhruvi wants to say. Go ahead, Dhruvi, explain. Who wants to explain? Anyone? Can anyone?
Repeat question, please.
Okay, the question is, Fazil, 1 by 0 we say is undefined. You know, that's what your books say. Your textbook says 1 by 0 is undefined. My question is, why is it undefined? Does anyone know the reason?
0 is nothing because 0 not divided anything.
No, I mean in the sense, but why is it undefined? That's not the reason. Dhruvi sends me a message. Okay. Yeah, Dhruvi, you're right. Is there anyone in the class who knows why 1 by 0 is undefined? Anyone? Okay. Okay, let me quickly teach you why 1 by 0 is undefined. Okay, for that, who wants to do mathematics with me? One of you say yes. In the chat box, I will give you a chance to talk to me. Anyone? Okay. Okay. Fazil, you want to do it with me? Very good.
We cannot divide anything to 0 by 0.
Okay. Okay. Fazil, concentrate. I'll teach you something. Concentrate. Okay. You tell me, Fazil, what is 100 by 100? Can you tell me what's the value of 100 by 100?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's the value of 100 by 100?
1.
1. Very good. 100 divided by 10.
Sir, 10.
10.
Okay. 100 divided by 1.
Sir, 100. 100, sir.
Very good. 100 divided by 0.1.
That is 100.
100 divided by 0.1.
100 divided by 21.
Not 21. 0.1. 0.1. 0.1. Does anyone know how to do 100 divided by 0.1? Anyone?
Sir, 1000.
Very good. Very good. Very good. 100 divided by 0.01.
Sir, 10,000.
Very good.
1,000.
10,000. 100 divided by 0.001.
Sir,
1 lakh.
How much?
1 lakh.
Very good.
1 lakh.
Okay. 100 divided by 0.00001.
Sir, 10 lakh.
It will be 1 crore.
Sir,
It will be
1 crore.
Yes, it's 1 crore. Very good. Now, if I keep on reducing this, 0.0000000000001. If I put a small number like this,
Sir, infinity.
that will be infinity. Wonderful. Wonderful. It will go towards infinity. It will be a big number. So, when on your number line, when you have 0 on the number line, let's assume there is 1 here, there is -1 here. Okay, you have 1 here, we have -1 here on the number line. Please concentrate, every one of you. Okay, if I calculate something like 1 divided by 0.000000000 like that, if I'm going to a small number somewhere here from this side, from the right hand side, when I'm going to this 1 divided by this number, this will give you positive infinity. Whereas if I am going to 0 from this
Sir,
side,
it is called integers.
wait. Yeah. I'm not teaching integers, but please concentrate. I'm trying to explain you a very simple concept. Okay, please concentrate. I'm saying if I calculate 1 divided by 0.0000000000001, a very small number, that value, this value, you have seen, can you observe here? If I divide with 100, it was 1. If I divide with 10, it is becoming 10. If I divide with 1, it is becoming 100. 0.1, 1,000. 0.01, 10,000. 0.001, 1 lakh. If I'm increasing these zeros after this decimal, if I'm putting a small value here in the denominator, you can see the value is becoming infinity. Now, if the same thing, if I do it with a small number on the negative side, say for example, if I divide, let me change the color so that you'll understand what I'm teaching. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so let's assume if I do 1 divided by -0.1, 1 divided by -0.1, it will give you -10 as the answer. Your answer will be -10 because you're dividing with minus number, it will give you -10. Whereas if you divide 1 divided by minus 0.01, it'll give me minus 100. It'll give me minus 100. So if I keep on dividing like this, 1 divided by minus 0.00000001. If you divide with such a small number, it'll give you something like minus infinity. It'll go towards minus infinity. So that's the reason, when we have your 1 by 0, you don't know whether it is positive infinity or negative infinity. You're not sure whether if you're coming from right hand side, it's giving you positive infinity. If you're coming from left hand side, it's giving negative infinity. As we are not sure, that's the reason it is called undefined. Okay, this is little more than your expectation of the class. In 6th standard, you need not worry so much, but I'm giving you for the knowledge of few students who are curious about knowing why 1 by 0 is undefined. If you are curious, that's the answer. You need not know this. Okay, I don't know how many of you have understood. If you have understood, mention yes in the chat box. If you have not understood, no problem. Just remember it as undefined. 1 by 0 is undefined. Okay, answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how many of you have understood what I